Hello everyone and welcome to Complex Smarter Design, leveraging technologies for strategic, connected project planning. Happening today, May 8, 2025. We are so excited to have you join us in this virtual session. Thank you for being part of this innovative gathering where technology meets strategic design. In this session, expect practical insight on design innovation, smart technologies, and digital solution. Each track brings a fresh and unique perspective, so be sure to explore as many as you can throughout the event. To help you navigate this virtual experience, here's a quick guide. First, click on Introduction and Info for general event details and live session access. Check out Exhibitor section to explore featured products and chat directly with brand representatives. Need some help or have some question? Visit the community room to connect with our support team or raise any technical concerns. Need some help? After watching this session, don't forget to complete the quick post-track survey. Two lucky viewers will win 250 Gcash vouchers, and winners will be selected based on the number of correct answers across the tracks we have watched. That means the more tracks you explore and answer, the better your chances of winning. Camtech's marketing team will contact the winners after post-event validation. Are you thinking of joining us in person? We'd love to see you. Just head to the location menu for venue details and give our dedicated number a call to confirm your attendance on site. And while you're here, don't miss the exhibitor section where you can chat with our partner brands, discover new solutions, and even unlock exclusive offers. And if you need help along the way, the community room is always open for your questions and concerns. To stay updated and connected beyond today, simply scan the QR code that you can see on screen and follow Famtech's official Viber and MS Teams communities. You'll get access to exclusive content, special offers, and timely event updates. If you need assistance, you can reach us out anytime through our email inquiry at famtech-innovative.com. You can also contact our hotline at 0968 614-0597. Also, be sure to follow Famtech Innovative on Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube for more updates. Just search our name on your favorite platform. And now, let's dive into today's track and hear from one of our incredible thought leaders. Enjoy and be inspired.
Thank you for having me. Today I'm excited to talk about emerging print technologies with Canon, focusing on how our innovation in office solutions and large format printing are empowering businesses to work smarter, faster, and more sustainably. Let me start with a quick overview of Canon in the Philippines. Canon Marketing Philippines Inc. has been serving the Filipino market since 1996, delivering not only world-class imaging and printing products, but also end-to-end business solutions. As a subsidiary of Canon Inc., a global leader in imaging and optical technologies, Canon Philippines is committed to Kyosei, living and working together for the common good. Canon is more than just a camera company. It's a global imaging technology leader. We support industries ranging from education, healthcare, design and construction to SMEs and large corporations with solutions that drive productivity, creativity, and sustainability. Even in a digital age, printing is still mission critical, but the way we print has to evolve. Canon is addressing these shifts with smarter, more connected print technologies. Introducing our MFD or multifunction devices, the Image Class X series are for modern hybrid workforces and satellite offices. The Image Runner series are A3 multifunction workgroup devices are robust and affordable, suitable for everyday document needs in SME offices. And our Image Runner Advanced DX series is designed for digital transformation, combining speed with smart automation. Canon's most advanced line for digitized workflows, security, and document automation. This slide gives you the full snapshot of Canon's Office multifunction devices, categorized by monochrome on the left and color on the right. It also reflects the three key series, our Image Class X, Image Runner, and Image Runner Advanced DX. Whether your need is a compact personal printer or high-output centralized device, Canon's lineup gives you the flexibility to match your team's scale, document volume, and workflow sophistication, while keeping print security and sustainability in mind. The new Image Class X 1440i and C1333i provide enterprise-level features in a compact form and has a support for Uniflow Online for secure printing and cost tracking. And with Uniflow Online, our cloud-based print management platform, user can print securely from anywhere, track usage and control costs, all from a single dashboard. Canon Office solutions are built for the hybrid workplace, whether you're in an office, at home, or somewhere in between. We all know innovation brings development and convenience, but it can also be challenging for some to adopt. However, Canon document readers combine advanced technology with user-friendly design, reliability, and comprehensive support, making them an ideal choice for businesses. In Canon, we're not just selling a product, but we provide real value. In today's digital age, document readers, or RDR, convert paper documents into digital formats, boosting productivity and streamlining workflows. They reduce clutter, make information searchable and shareable, and provide access to your documents anytime, anywhere on any device. Canon innovates with high-speed scanning, enhanced image quality, advanced OCR, intelligent recognition, security features, and eco-friendly design. But what sets Canon apart from other scanner brands beyond just the technical features? Customer-centric innovations, continuous improvements and updates based on our user feedback and evolving market needs. Bundled solution, a package that includes software, accessories, providing a one-stop solution for all your needs. And a trusted brand, a strong reputation for quality and reliability, backed by positive customer reviews and testimonials. Here's the updated DR lineup for each product category this year. We have a full lineup of models that can cater to different fields of work. Therefore, is a scalable enterprise content management solution that facilitates the efficient capture, storage, retrieval, and archiving of documents. It integrates seamlessly with multifunction devices, enabling businesses to digitize paper documents and store them electronically. It stores and organizes documents digitally, works remotely via the cloud, automates tasks like capturing and extracting data, secures documents with features like encryption, integrates with other businesses' systems. This software makes business process more efficient, saves costs, and helps protect important information. Canon delivers more than just multifunction devices. It powers secure, scalable, and intelligent document ecosystem with Uniflow for control and therefore for digital transformation, not only for MFDs but also for our DRs and LFPs. Now, moving into the large format printing, this is where Canon's ImagePrograph line shines. Technical drawings, or CAD to posters and photo to retail graphics, Canon large format printers are trusted for their accuracy, reliability, and color reproduction. And they're not just for large corporations. Canon now offers models that fit even the smallest studios, offices, and project sites. For photos, Pro Series feature 12 ink colors including red and blue, spots, and 2 shades of gray suitable for photographers and commercial printers, while the GP series is equipped of 7 colors including the orange and gray color. This is suitable for the print for pay and in-house printing department, which is responsible for the output of graphic posters such as advertisement and producing high-quality prints. For high speed and for big projects, we have TX series who can print lines and CAD drawings for as fast as 3.3 A1 ppm. And our production CAD model, which is the TZ series, that can print as fast as 4A1 ppm. We have also the TM series, our large format printer that supports multi-use applications such as CAD drawings, posters, and displays. It quickly prints CAD drawings in high retail as fast as 3.2 A1 ppm. TM series can be upgraded to multi-function device with the two types of large format scanner options, the LM series and the Z series, to support copying and digitizing large size drawings. The LM scanner is an entry-level model with simple basic performance and easy to use. It's lightweight, compact, and has an intuitive control panel with good visibility. You can copy and scan items without using a PC by simply placing the item in the scanner and pressing the operation panel button. You can also save scan data on a USB drive. Simply touch the USB drive icon from the operation panel of the scanner. Then the supported file format is TIFF. The scanner is a multifunction model capable of high-speed, high-precision scanning. Copy and digitize large format documents efficiently by high-speed scanning. Equipped with a large touch panel monitor integrated with a controller, you can check and scan images in a large screen preview. You can also use SmartWorks scanning software to perform image editing functions such as skew correction, brightness adjustment, and cropping. Canon large format printers are packed with ample software solutions to improve your workflow. Direct Print Plus, or DP Plus, is a job submission tool that helps you output drawings efficiently. The batch printing for multiple formats using drag and drop. Multiple files in different formats such as PDF, JPEG, and TIFF can also be input by dragging and dropping. You can print efficiently without starting a dedicated application for each file. It has also a quick preview, and it can print at least one click by acquiring paper information such as type and size of loaded paper by communicating with the printer. And then it also prevents failed printing by displaying a warning based on information obtained through communication with the printer as well. All Image Prograph series supports the mobile print application Canon Print. It's used for printing documents and photos in large size from a smartphone or tablet. Also, the remaining amount of roll paper and ink, or ink model number, and an animated manual and other information can be checked by accessing Remote UI, a software to see the status of the printer and make the various settings. Poster Artist, a web application that allows anyone to easily create posters. Anyone can easily create well-designed posters and flyers with a web browser regardless of where they work, such as in the office or at home. In addition to 2 entry points for template selection and an extensive selection of templates, you can use millions of pieces of content from the stock photo services and have auto-design feature that allows you to create your own designs in an intuitive way. Manager is software that provides efficient cost management for printers, collects the job history of the printer, and collect the cost per print job or period, or by department and by user. You can periodically email information such as output paper size, paper usage, and ink consumption in CSV file format. So what's new in our image program? Let's zoom in a model that's been a game changer in this space, the Image Prograph TC21. The TC21 is the single function printer. It's Canon's compact 24-inch desktop large format printer designed specifically for small offices, schools, and remote job sites. Also available, the TC21M, our multi-function printer model. What makes it stand out? It is a hybrid combination of the core inkjet technology of our consumer product with its ink system and cut sheet feed, then integrating our large format printer technology for its rolled paper feed and high precision printing. The new TC series is compact and affordable. It fits on a table, making it ideal for small workspaces without compromising on output quality. Easy operation. The 2.7-inch color LCD screen and front axis loading make it user-friendly, even for non-technical users. Pigment-based inks. It delivers crisp lines and vibrant colors that resist smudging and water. Perfect for technical drawings and posters alike. And for added versatility, the TC21M model comes with built-in scanning and copying, ideal for teams needing multifunction capability in one compact device. The roll paper printing with the addition of the small margin printing function and cut sheet printing with expansion of supporting paper can be used together. Print A1 size posters with small margins and print CAD drawings quickly with standard margins. You can print A3, A4, and B size business documents and direct mail, such as postcards and envelopes with the auto sheet feeder. This large format printer can meet a wide range of printing needs with just one printer. New TC series, Going Green is no longer optional. It's a standard. The new TC series is the first image prograph series to use recycled iron for 5% of the iron used in its body. In addition, recycled resin is used for approximately 40% of the resin used in the main unit. In the distribution process, polystyrene foam is not used as packaging material for the product itself, but corrugated cardboard packing is used as cushioning material. And this reduces the use of plastics. And by folding cardboard, the volume of waste can be reduced compared to polystyrene foam. And now, instead of just telling you about the new TC21, here's a quick look at how this smart, compact, and sustainable printer delivers high performance in any work environment.
Image Prograph. Compact body. Built-in large capacity ink bottles. Supports both roll paper and cut sheet. From sharply reproduced drawings to vivid posters and flyers. Meeting variety of printing needs desktop printer, TC21. Operations such as paper set and ink refilling can be performed from the front. Operation panel can be tilted. Even from a lower position or on a higher shelf, the screen can be easily viewed and operated, expanding the choice of location. Adopting the image processing method of higher-end models, which enables creating vivid posters even on plain paper. Printing with very small margins on roll paper. It helps to create standout designs. Poster creation software, Poster Artist. Rich selection of templates. Change the text and colors to easily create stylish posters and flyers. A standard auto sheet feeder can hold A4 and A3 size sheets, label sheets, envelopes, postcards, and other various sizes of cut paper. A variety of prints can be created using cut and roll paper. This flexibility allows users to print the same design in various sizes for different applications. No EPS is used in printer packing materials. Recycled plastics is used in about 40% of the plastics of the printer, along with recycled steel for about 5% of the steel in the printer. Registered at the Gold Tier in the United States. From architecture and engineering, construction, restaurants and retails, to clinics and pharmacies. A multi-use large-format desktop printer that meets the needs for a variety of applications. Image Prograph TC21.
This is the product lineup of Canon Image Prograph's large format printers for CAD poster and multi-use models. The 4 series, the TZ, TX, TM, and TC, cover a wide range of output needs, from drawings, GIS, and maps to posters, graphics, POP, and internal bulletin boards. These models cater to a diverse user base, including the large corporate manufacturing departments, architectural, engineering, construction companies, government agencies, small design offices, retail stores, and schools. And in addition, all the TM and TC series are equipped with 3 years standard warranty. Whether you're starting small or scaling fast, our solutions grow with you. Thank you very much, and explore smarter, more sustainable print solutions with Canon. Thank you very much for your attention.